How was that process for you of just, working with them? Because when I listen to Black Ends, I mean, to me, it's like, it's a very cohesive sound. And it's not the most polished sound. You talk about gunk pop all the time, things like that. But like for me, I can listen. One thing that struck me, like when I first heard, like Black Ends and all the recent releases, Monday Morning in particular. I mean, was the song I was trying to get out of my head because that was the first one that I listened to, and it's like there felt like a vision and a sound there, to where it's like, okay, the best music to me, it's like you can listen to it and it's not technically perfect in that way. Mm-hmm. And it's not over polished to be, but you can tell that it's walking the line between like, this is, a solid statement, like you're definitely not struggling. It doesn't sound like it's struggling to like say what you're trying to say, but it's also, like I say, like not deliberately like sanitized or over polished or something like that.
That's how I kind of want it to be. Yeah, just not too polished and not too gross either. Just right in the middle. I just want it to sound just authentic to me, and just I just wanted to live up to the term gunk pop.
Where did that term come from, too?
I don't know. I just thought of it one day. I just thought it was my music sounded pretty gunky and poppy at the same time. So gunk pop just came to mind.
I mean, you talk about growing up, feeling like very isolated and out of place, in some of the places you lived and going from that journey of, you started playing out saxophone, if I remember right.
I did. Yeah. How did you know that?
That was, I do my research. That's what I do.
Yeah. Saxophone. I did start playing saxophone when I was like 10 or 11.
Okay.
Maybe I was 11 because I started playing guitar when I was 12. I quit saxophone for guitar.
You grew up in like a musical family, right?
Not really, no. My mom and dad never played music. My grandma sang in church.
Okay. Yeah.
And my sister plays drums, but we never, I don't know. I guess I'm like related to Chuck Berry by marriage, but that's not really anything. So there's not really a lot of musical things in my family.
Growing up, where I grew up in Miami, a lot of kids that either got into music, they got their start either in the school band programs or they play music in church and stuff was another big one with people that I grew up with. And then it's almost like sometimes, you sort of learn how to play an instrument like that. And then it's like you rebel and go off and find all this other, crazy stuff. And start your own thing around that. I mean, did you have an experience like that growing up?
I mean, not really. I just really I always just wanted to play guitar. I just remember picking up saxophone, going, I started playing music by being in band, and I knew I liked music and I wanted to do something with it. But I didn't play guitar and I didn't really play anything. So I thought saxophone would work out for me, but it didn't. So I guess that's rebelling in a way, because I up and quit band in the middle of it. I was just told my teacher I'm done and I'm going to start playing guitar. He took it well though.
Was that Mr. Larkins?
It was Mr. Larkins.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know him?
I'm referencing my notes here. This is just like research.
Mr. Larkins,
I'm trying to help people connect the dots.
I hope he's doing well. I don't know anything about him anymore, but
okay, yeah. I was gonna say, so I'm guessing he never heard your work with Black Ends or anything.
Probably
like
not.
That.